How to fix Black Ops 7 lag and packet burst. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you two specific troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now, I would mainly focus on restarting or resetting your network settings. To do it first, just open up your Windows icon, which is going to be your search tab, and type in CMD, and then open the cmd.exe as an administrator. Now the commands that you're going to have to use is going to be ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter, restart your PC, and try to run some games on your Black Ops 7 if the network is stable. Next is go back into the Windows search, type in network connections. And from here, just simply choose on view network connections. Now choose on your current network and then go into properties. And from here, go into Internet Protocol version 4 and hit on properties once again. And then on the second field, choose on use the following DNS server addresses. On the first box, type in 1111. On the second box, type in 1001. Hit on OK, hit on apply, restart your PC, and try to run some games again. And that's how you fix Black Ops 7 lag and packet burst.